Well, good Wednesday afternoon to ya. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. I hope everybody's having a show enough good hump day. But I'm here to tell you in East Central Mississippi, about 82 degrees. Humidity's not too bad. Nice to be outside, I'm here to tell you. Before we get started on today's video, I always like to mention that if you are new to the channel, we want to welcome you. And if you returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over her, I sure enough thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is we had a few problems on the homestead, but Lord, we have some stuff that's sure enough working for us. Give me a second and I'm finna show you. Well, let's start off talking about the stuff that's sure enough working. And when I mean working, we got some grow bags that are working for us. And speaking of grow bags, Scott and I, we purchased some 10-gallon grow bags, but we also looked into some 5-gallon grow bags. I'm here to tell you, I'm a really big fan of Bootstrap Farmer. They're out of Texas. I guess I don't have nothing bad to say about this company. Every time I've called this company a few times just to get some information on some of their products, and just showing enough nice people to talk to on the phone. Now I'm gonna tell you, Bootstrap Farmer is a little pricey. You know what the old saying is, you get what you pay for. And I'm here to tell you, we looked around and we sure enough invested in some 5-gallon Bootstrap Farmer grow bags. Really well made. The stitching on the handles are really nice. It's just an all-around good bag. I wish I could have found this bag in brown, but all they had in stock was black, so we just rolled with that. Let me go on and show you what we're using the 5-gallon grow bags for. Look at her. What that is a Aztec rainbow chili, and this is a pepper. And we decided that we were going to grow our peppers in 5-gallon grow bags. This is a lot of media that goes into these 10-gallon grow bags. We'll talk about that in a second. But I think, well, I know that a pepper is going to grow really, really well in this Bootstrap Farmer bag. I purchased a bunch of stuff from Bootstrap Farmer over the years, especially their seed starting trays and their shallow 10-20 trays to grow microgreens in. I purchased a bunch of that stuff from them. Again, a little on the pricey side, but their stuff is built to last, I'm here to tell you. Well, let me give you a little disclaimer. I'm not being paid by Bootstrap Farmer to say any of this. I'm not affiliated with them or anything like that. I just really dig the stuff that they put out. So we're gonna see how these 5-gallon grow bags grow for us. I think they're gonna grow really well, and I think the peppers are really gonna like those 5-gallon grow bags. Can you grow a mater in a 5-gallon grow bag? Yeah, probably so. You probably could. Matter of fact, I know you could. But I think the 10-gallon grow bags work a little bit better for maters. I think a few videos back, I showed you me planting out some maters in some 10-gallon grow bags. And what I failed to mention in that video is the cost associated with growing vegetables, peppers, maters, whatever, cucumbers. The cost associated with growing that in grow bags. Now, with grow bags, of course, you have to have a really good soil mixture, a light mixture that drains real well, and that stuff is not cheap. Sure enough, not cheap. I use a Jolly Gardener in conjunction with the Stay Green potting mix. Works really well, but to fill one of those 10-gallon grow bags up, you're using a lot of growing medium. The 5-gallon grow bags are a little bit easier on the medium volume wise, but all in all, I think things grow better in grow bags because you can control what's going into the soil and what you're putting into the soil. Now on that Aztec chili pepper, didn't do anything different. Just filled it up with my growing medium about halfway, mixed in a little pulverized lime, and then I ringed it with some 10-10-10 fertilizer. So the only thing different between the 10 and the 5-gallon grow bags is I just cut everything in half, lime wise and 10-10-10 wise. So just I throw that out at ya. Let's go on and look at some stuff that sure enough ain't working over here in East Central Mississippi. Anything look different to you? Lord of mercy. Whew. All right, I actually had to retill all of that stuff right there. We set out 3 more 300-foot rows of purple hull peas, and guess what? Only had about 5 or 6 actually germinate. As you can see, I have 2 other rows that are growing quite nicely. And when I say didn't germinate, I don't think it's not that they didn't germinate, and I'm not going to blame that on the seeds, because all the seeds were purchased in the same lot. They were planted the same way. The soil mixture is the same. We did everything the same. We had some that germinated and some that didn't. What I'm going to attribute this to is I'm really thinking we have a bunch of crows that are getting in here and plucking the seeds out of the ground. That's the only thing that we could really come to say about why the peas didn't come up. This was a sure enough setback for me, but that's okay. In a way, I'm kind of glad that it actually happened, because if I thought about it, I probably do better doing succession planting with these purple hull peas versus putting out 5 300-foot rows, whereby we have to harvest all of those peas at one time. I'm just gonna till this ground up again, get it going, but we're gonna wait a couple of weeks and plant out those seeds. But in a sense, this was a setback for us. We put a lot of work into getting this ground worked and actually putting out the peas. So it was a little bit of work involved, and to not see anything come up. But that's okay, we're gonna drive on. Sure enough, ain't no hill for a stepper, that's right, you heard me? All right, so there you have it. That's what I wanted to share with you and y'all today. We got some stuff that just sure enough didn't work. Hey, it's farming. It just, stuff happens. I got a buddy of mine, he come over, he said, hey man, it's just farming. Things don't, half the time don't go right. So it is what it is. So we're gonna replant them peas and hopefully they will come up and we're gonna drive on from there. But we sure enough got some stuff working for us, and that's them dang grow bags. They sure enough growing well for us. We started to use these Bootstrap Farmer grow bags, the 5 gallons for the peppers. We think they're gonna grow well. But then again, I'm gonna keep everybody updated as time goes on with how things are growing in the grow bags and the earth garden and the pea patch. So again, I hope everybody is having a sure enough good Wednesday, and I'm hoping everybody's staying safe amid this crisis that we still have going on. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up to help. If you haven't subscribed to the Homestead channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff or replanting stuff. With that being said, you know it's coming down. Reference sure enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on. Get your grow on. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.